Just a quick disclaimer here, the camera angles are pretty bad. What I mean by that is I keep shooting the keyboard by accident instead of actually shooting the screen. But yeah, it's because I couldn't bring my phone stand out and I had to hold the phone with one hand, so yeah. But anyways, guys, I hope that you understand because it was literally freezing outside. But hey guys, anyways, let's go and get on with the video, shall we?
Alright guys, what is up? It is me, the Visual Confused, and today we're back with another video. So guys, this is kind of going to be a ridiculous video today. So this right here, this looks like snow, but it's actually more like ice. I have the HP ZBook 15 G2 here. Let's see how well it runs in the snow, and also when it's a little wet. So you can see here it is very much snow. It's also a little bit of ice. So let's go and turn on the laptop. I'm not even sure if the battery's going to work because it's frozen out here. Is it even turning on? Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn off the... I don't think it's turning on, guys. Alright, so it's gonna be a really short video if this isn't turning on. Hang on a second, guys. Alright guys, sorry about that. But yeah, anyways, we now have the HP Pavilion 15, which, if you guys know, it overheats a lot. And let's go ahead and see how well it does when it's probably going to be half submerged in water. Let me turn it on first. It appears to be functional. Alright, let me type in my pin. Alright guys, so we, as you can see here, we have the i5 A250 in. Also, sorry if I sound a little funny, it's just that my mouth is kind of frozen here because I'm not wearing a hat or anything. Let's go ahead and see if we can break the world record here for the i5 A250U. Alright, let me go ahead, put it down in the snow. I'm gonna try to not get more water into it because that would be bad. But yeah, as you can see it there, it's doing it. Let me go ahead and stress it out. Yeah, look at that, baby. 1,400 points. Oh, that's probably because it's not plugged in. It's fine. We'll still get the world record for unplugged A250U performance. Look at that. It's a little hard to read. Focus phone. There you go. It's 1480. 1480. That's pretty good. Let's see how much FPS we can get in BeamNG now, boys. Oh my god. I sound so bad right now. It's because my mouth is like frozen over, so I can't really close my lips fully. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. Anyways, let's launch DirectX 11 mode. So you can see here, it is on the ice or snow or whatever. It's solid. Also hurts a little bit because it's cold and stuff. So yeah. Alright, come on. BeamNG, please start up. There you go. Oh my god, I wonder what my neighbors think of me right now. Alright, let's go here. Come on, I just want to get one BeamNG benchmark in here. So, when it was plugged in and it was inside a house, it was... Oh wow, look at that. Look at those temps. That's really solid since it was running a stress test earlier. Yeah, I wonder if condensation's going to be a problem. If it is... Oh my god, there's also volume. I'm going to turn down the speakers all the way just because we have to conserve battery here and make it last this entire video. Alright, and start. Yeah, it's doing it, boys. It's doing it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna run this HP Pavilion 15 off of ice and snow. Let's see if it improves. Because look at those temps. That is pretty damn good, considering it's under stress right now. Alright, well, let's go ahead and see here if it even loads this before the snow gets to it. But yeah, honestly, it was kind of insane that, you know, it's like negative, like, what is it, like 0 degrees Celsius? It's below freezing, that's for sure. So it's like below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So that means that below 0 degrees Celsius. My voice sounds normal, guys. Sorry about that. I'm gonna try to make it so that my mouth isn't frozen over so I sound more normal. Anyways, this is loading here. It's loading. It's going. Yeah, this is a good laptop. I can't even see a backlit keyboard, probably because it's way too bright out here, especially with all the snow and stuff. Yeah, as you can see over there, we're actually behind a few trees right now, so there's a bit of shadowage as well. Alright, my hands, I'm not sure if you can see this, but my hands are actually starting to freeze off, so please hurry up. I don't want to do this any longer, laptop. Wait, actually, I probably should open up Core Temp as well and rerun that CPU-Z benchmark. I'm going to run CPU-Z and FurMark, because that'll stress this thing out. Alright, but yeah, as you can see here, there's our i5 8250U KB Lake R. Oh yeah, we're getting the exact same performance. Oh, this laptop also feels really, really frozen. Hell yeah. It's so cold to the point where the fans don't even need to turn on, because the air out here is just that frozen. Like, holy crap. Like, this normally would run at like 60, 70, maybe even 80 C, but now it's running at 46. I'm gonna see. So guys, if you're wondering why there's so much snow out here, it's because I'm the victim of those East Coast snowing crap. So yeah, it's quite cold out here. I don't think I have fur mark on here. GPU-Z is good enough. GPU-Z has a built-in stress test. So yeah. All right, let's go ahead and run some CPU-Z too, and let's see them temps. So this normally would, with the battery, it would run at around 81, 82 C. Let's see how much it runs now. All right, this has a touchscreen. I forgot. I'm surprised the touchscreen still works. I'm surprised the screen hasn't frozen off actually, since this is liquid crystal. Stress. Start render test. It's loading it, but as you can see, those temps, that's like 42 C. 42C, and this thing is running completely maxed out. Now, yes, that is only 10,000 points for some reason. I think it's because they have to power the iGPU. Well, look at that! It's running at 44C under stress test. That's the best temps I've ever seen on this laptop. And you know what you gotta do about it? You gotta run it in snow, baby. You gotta run it in snow. Hell yeah. But yeah, guys, anyways, this was definitely an interesting video to make. Now, I'm gonna go back inside to my house before my fingers freeze off, and before this laptop accumulates any more water in it. So yeah, guys, anyway, see you next video. All right, this is definitely a very unique video, to say the least. All right, but yeah, guys, anyway, see you next video. Remember to subscribe. All right.